Hello, guys. Welcome to the Thunder Zeus Gaming and Show from this virus right now, the coronavirus. I just started streaming, and of course, there are no people watching right now just because I started 18, 19, 20 seconds are now on stream, and I'm just waiting for some people to watch. Oh my gosh, that is so heavy. Just started. Okay, welcome to the stream, whoever is here. Okay, let's see if I have my voice. Okay. Haha. Okay, I've got it. Okay, so now we'll just search for the coronavirus news. Coronavirus outbreak. Okay, so this one's from the coronavirus. Oh, by the way, if you guys are trying to ask me what is a coronavirus, here we go. We'll say it. What is coronavirus? What is the coronavirus? And after this, we'll let you hear you guys some 3-4 videos in YouTube that has been making this coronavirus video. So a coronavirus is a kind of common virus that causes an infection in your nose, sinuses, or upper throat. Most coronaviruses are not dangerous. Some types of coronaviruses are serious though. About 858 people have died from the Middle East respiratory syndrome (MERS), which first appeared in 2012 in Saudi Arabia and then in other countries in the Middle East, Africa, Asia, and Europe. In April 2014, the first American was hospitalized for MERS in Indiana, and another case was reported in Florida. Both had just returned from Saudi Arabia. In May 2015, there was an outbreak of MERS in Korea, which was the largest outbreak outside of Arabian Peninsula. In 2003, 774 people died from a severe acute respiratory syndrome or SARS outbreak. As of 2015, there were no further reports of cases of SARS. But in early 2020, this year, following a December 2019 World Health Organization identified a new type, the 2019 novel coronavirus, or 2019 NCOV, or the 2019 NCOV virus. Often, a coronavirus causes an upper respiratory infection symptoms like a stuffy nose, cough, and sore throat. You can treat them with rest and over-the-counter medication. The coronavirus can also cause middle ear infections in children. What is a coronavirus? Coronaviruses were the first identified in the 1960s, but we don't know where they come from. They get their name from their crown-like shape. Sometimes, but not often, a coronavirus can infect both animals and humans. Most coronaviruses spread the same way other cold-causing viruses do. Through infected people coughing and sneezing, by touching an infected person's hands or face, or by touching things such as doorknobs that infected people have touched. Almost everyone gets a coronavirus infection at least once in their life, most likely as a young child. In the United States, coronaviruses are more common in the fall and winter, but anyone can come down with the coronavirus infection at any time. Common symptoms of coronavirus. The symptoms of most coronaviruses are, are similar to any other upper respiratory infection, including runny nose, coughing, sore throat, and sometimes a fever. In most cases, you won't know whether you have a coronavirus or a different uh, different cold-causing virus, such as a rhinovirus. That's all what a coronavirus was. Any chats? Not yet. Okay, guys, if you want to subscribe to my channel, just please just like to this channel and let's see if we can get to 61 subscribers. Must have been 2 people watching by now. Just okay, now we're on 6 minutes. So, by the way, if you just don't forget to subscribe to these guys. I'll put it up here. Just a sec, guys. I know you can hear this typing sound. You don't even have to subscribe to their channel. It's okay. You can just open a new tab while you're watching the stream. This time you're hearing the stream. Just a sec. Oh, also I have like a lot of new channels that I just made, so I'll put it up here in my list. Oh wow! Sorry guys, it takes. Oh yes, finally, that's the goal I want. Oh. Under your screen. Actually, okay, if you guys want to subscribe to these guys, you can subscribe to them, or you don't have to. I know I said it more because I don't have time, because I don't want to spend my time in the stream to like just do a bunch of nonsense, just typing, you know. So okay, back to our coronavirus, and just a sec right now. Let's now go head on to our weather. Just for a reminding message, guys, winds are now calming down, so that means some maybe like 40 minutes, I think. Oh, whoops. I'm not gonna say something anymore, dude. Are you serious, live streamer? Oh my gosh, this is just so zigzagging. It's going like 1. Before it went 1. Oh, 3. That's the record. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Okay. Oh, 2. This is zigzag. Maybe some what? That time just when I went to 9 minutes, it went back to 8 minutes and 59 seconds, and then went back to 9 minutes. Crazy. Okay. Oh yeah. Back to our weather right now, guys. Okay. I'll say that out loud with that alert. That means right now. Oh no. Now we're having a wind advisory. So a wind advisory is effect from February 3, 2020, from 3:03 p.m. to February 3, 2020, 6 p.m. A wind advisory issued at February 3 at 3:03 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time until February 3 at 6 o'clock p.m. Pacific Daylight Time by News Las Vegas. In effect, Las Vegas Valley, Lincoln County, Northeast Clark County, Sheep Range, Southern Clark County, Spring Mountains, Red Rock Canyon, Western Clark, and Southern Nye County. A wind advisory remains in effect until 6 p.m. and till 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. This evening, what north winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 miles per hour. Where portions of northwest Arizona, southeast California, and south central and southern Nevada. When? Until 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, that's 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time this evening. Impact. Gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down, and a few power outages may result. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. So before it was a high wind warning, it now just turned into a wind advisory. So before, during the high wind warning, winds can go up to 40 to 45 miles per hour, 20 to 25 miles per hour, and gusts up to 50 to 60 to 70 miles per hour. That's how much the gusts can be. I'm live. Hi, Zeus. Why are you live? I am live because of this coronavirus that's from China, our China virus. I can't believe you're here, guys. Friend. Okay, back. Okay, so keeping on going on our weather and our traffic, because we want to see how it's going right now. Okay. So traffic at Russell Road and traffic at Decatur Boulevard near Russell Road, and a slowdown at West Hacienda Avenue, and a traffic between Decatur Boulevard and Jones Boulevard. Traffic at the Beltway and the Beltway Rainbow near the Bruce Woodbury Beltway Highway at 215, Clark County 215. And there is a construction here. There's a construction here. It started 2:18 a.m. The end time is actually February 7, 2020 at 2:17 a.m. It's between Berdura Avenue and Sunset Road. Start time is at 2:18. That was just today. The end time was 2:17 a.m. What? Actually at 2:20 I woke up just because I have to drink my water, dude. Decatur Boulevard does have traffic on both sides, slow down on both sides, near the Bruce Woodbury Beltway and near the junction of I-15 and Bruce Woodbury Beltway. Bro, I didn't know you were going right now, but I'm about to take dinner right now. My mom isn't here, so I'm gonna take a long time. And traffic. Wait, I have to ask you guys if you are here. I'm live because of the China virus, just like I said, and my brother is actually here. Okay, by the way, I have a question for you guys. I don't know if you're here. Okay, never mind. Okay. Let's back to our traffic. I'm just getting crazy on you guys. So Warm Springs Road has traffic near Valley View Boulevard. Heading off to the west over here, there's a construction work. Roadway reduced to one lane. Start time was already at January 21, 2020, and it's going to end at July 1, 2020 at 5 p.m. So that's between Nevada 159, Charleston Avenue, and Nevada 159, Blue Diamond Road, and Gameburg Road. Construction work, roadway reduced to one lane. Start time was at, we already did that. Severe weather. Get ready for our weather alerts. Okay, so here we go right now. A wind advisory at Las Vegas Boulevard, high wind warning portions of Nevada. And there's also a wind advisory up here in Ely, in White Pine County, wind advisory and wind chill advisory. and that's due for very cold temperatures. A lake wind advisory is in effect from 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time to Monday 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Back to our coronavirus. I should have chatted with you guys. Okay, I don't want to the keyboard. Oh, I forgot. So now the radar. It's now time for the radar. I know this is going so long, guys. I'm sorry. It's like we're mostly what we're doing is just weather, because that's what I'm good with. Okay, let's full screen this. Okay, so snow in Colorado at Colorado Springs, it's lingering there, and some rain are lingering. Some showers lingering to Pueblo. West Cliffy is under snow. There's some freezing rain, and some rain and snow mixed together. Rain in Austin, Houston is getting some rain, soaking up some rain. And excuse me, I forgot what I say that. Sorry. So there's also rain showers near Phoenix, and it's not really going bad right now. There's also some portions of this rain. This rain, from Central Coast to East Coast looks like the Philippines. So, and you can see it on weather.msn.com. So that's the website. You can check on your place. So, and also Denver has some snow, and over here some Hyannis is under snow showers almost. Sedford is almost under snow showers. And this is actually breaking the state line here in this state line on Colorado and Nebraska, including Roosevelt National Forest. It's part of it. Fort Collins is on snow showers. Loveland is just got some snow showers, and now it's going some again. Boulder, snow showers. Denver is on rain and snow. Aurora is on snow, and now Denver's on snow. Colorado Springs is on snow. Grand Junction is clear, almost. Salt Lake City is almost soaking up some of those snow. Up here in the northwest, and some little portions of rain here in Oregon and Washington is breaking the line, just said. Little pieces of snow. It just passed a snowy city, Walla Walla. Just past the snow, so the snow goes past it there. Portland had some showers there. And that's from our weather and now our cloud. So yeah, that's going on right now, and we're going to be clear. We were going to be clear all the time, and we would see some clouds here in Las Vegas since it's around us. And there we go. There's some clouds on top of us, and now let's go to our back to what I'm watching right now. Oh, well, guys, it has been a great day. I'm not ending the stream yet. Wait. Pop out chat participants. What? What does it mean to pop out? Restore it. Oh, so it just disappears. Toggle time state. Okay, so at 5:11, Ravon and Co said, "Hi Zeus, why are you live?" Just again, I am live for the China virus. Wonder who's watching right now. Over in the live chat, who's live right now? Okay. Now let's go back. Okay, now guys. Now it's time for you to watch the. I mean, hear the coronavirus video, so I can see that. Okay, I gotta check my two boxes right now. One, two. Okay, so agenda free TV is now live in 30 minutes. I will call it's almost there. I don't want to make two streams. It's going to make me crazy, completely crazy. Okay. Coronavirus. Routine action news. I know there's not one. Here's your first.
Boston, and word now that the Department of Defense will be providing quarantine facilities if needed. The coronavirus death toll rising. This as there are now more than 12,000 cases confirmed worldwide. The Trump administration declaring a public health emergency. All this is expected to have a major effect on businesses worldwide. Apple announcing today it is closing all of its stores and corporate offices in China. And beginning tomorrow, U.S. citizens who have traveled to the affected region in the last 14 days will be subject to mandatory quarantine. Nearly 200 Americans on this flight already quarantined tonight in Riverside, California. ABC's Clayton Sandell is there and leads us off. Tonight, the latest battle to contain the coronavirus being fought in Massachusetts. Seems to be an isolated incident, an isolated case. We're going to be making sure monitoring all day long. The patient, a student at UMass Boston, who traveled to Wuhan, China, arriving at Logan Airport January 29th, is now at home in isolation. The latest case bringing the confirmed number of people infected with coronavirus in the U.S. to 8 across 5 states. Tonight, New York announcing it is one of 37 states looking into possible, still unconfirmed cases. U.S. officials declaring a public health emergency. It is likely that we will continue to see more cases in the United States in the coming days and weeks, including some limited person-to-person transmission. Starting tomorrow, any foreign national who traveled to China in the last 14 days will be banned from setting foot on U.S. soil.
They check everybody's temperature and make sure you're not having fever.
Tonight, the U.S. military says, if needed, it is ready to provide quarantine housing for up to 1,000 evacuees at bases in Colorado, California, and Texas. 195 Americans flown out of Wuhan this week will spend at least 2 weeks quarantined on a military base east of Los Angeles, closely watched for symptoms.
Just trying to make the best of it while we're out here and trying to keep a positive attitude.
The ripple effects of the virus now infecting the economy, with markets plunging and companies like Apple, Starbucks, are now closing their doors in China, and United, American, and Delta Airlines canceling all China flights. But despite nearly 260 reported deaths in China, there are no fatalities in the U.S. Health experts say the risk to the general public is low.
And Clayton Sandell joins us now from Riverside, California. And Clayton, you've been in contact with those Americans about what life has been like under quarantine?
That's right, Simon. This quarantine is the first of its kind in half a century. Now, so far, no one in quarantine is showing any symptoms, but one man we talked to said everyone is trying to keep a positive attitude, and that includes a get-together tomorrow to watch the Super Bowl. Tom?
All right, Clayton Sandell for us tonight from Riverside. Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out, Dave.
Okay. Yeah. ABC News. That was your first video and your other video. Okay. I already watched that.
Jennifer Ashton joins us now, so
Here's our
red
next
alert.
video.
Yep.
What do we know?
Well, at this time, Robin, here's what we know about this virus, because again, it's an evolving situation. We know it can spread human to human. We know as of last night in an article that appeared in the New England Journal of Medicine that it can be spread when someone has no symptoms. They have tested a patient positive with no symptoms. We know that in general, we've all had a form of a coronavirus. It's responsible for 30% of the common cold. And right now, because they're testing this virus everywhere, it does not look like it's mutated yet.
As importantly, what don't we know about this
Right,
virus?
and that's really the smart question, Robin, at this point, because there is as much as that we don't know at this time, and these are important facts. Number one, we still don't know how it's transmitted. We have some theories, but it hasn't been confirmed. We don't know the exact incubation period. Another New England Journal report said around 5 days on average could be incubation, but we don't know. We don't know how contagious or how severe this virus is. Right now, the fatality rate is hovering between 2 to 3%, but we don't know that for sure, and we don't yet know the source. So right now, the response on the part of China and our government here is aggressive, despite what we are seeing here in this country, which are at this point low numbers. The response is very aggressive.
Hopefully we'll stay in low numbers.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much. Hi, everyone.
Okay, that was your two videos. What?
Yeah.
During your first video, guys, I checked it was 3. Now it's 1. Okay, please tell me it's 3 now. It's now 5:30. Stop the stream by now, but we haven't checked it yet. So now let's go back. Coronavirus update. 20. I didn't know there were different kinds of coronavirus, dude. Okay, so this article was last updated today. Seriously? So in January 24th, 2020, news about the coronavirus outbreak that started in Wuhan, China, is changing rapidly. And the respiratory infection, which is closely related to SARS and MERS, has been spreading across China, and cases have been diagnosed in several countries, including the United States. We'll provide the latest updates on cases, deaths, travel restrictions, and more here. What is the latest news? The number of confirmed U.S. cases of the new coronavirus hit double digits on Sunday as San Benito County, California, announced a husband and wife are confirmed to be infected. The husband had recently traveled from Wuhan, China, although the wife did not. She caught the virus from him, county officials said. The couple, both 57 years old, are being isolated at home. Also, this weekend, a Chinese man visiting the Philippines died at February 1, becoming the first coronavirus patient to die outside China. The man was 44 years old and had been quarantined in isolation along with his female traveling companion, who also tested positive for the new coronavirus. The man developed both pneumonia and the flu while in the hospital. Meanwhile, health officials this weekend also confirmed the 7th, 8th, and 9th cases of the virus in the U.S. The 9th case involves a woman who had recently traveled to Wuhan and then to Santa Clara, California. She is being quarantined but never required hospitalization, Reuters reported. Her case is not related to another Santa Clara County case, the 7th confirmed in the U.S., where a man had recently returned from Wuhan and lives in Santa Clara County in the San Francisco Bay Area. The 8th case is a man in his 20s from Boston who had just returned from Wuhan, according to the Massachusetts Department of Public Health. He will remain in isolation until cleared by health officials. Worldwide, the number of cases has passed 17,000, the majority of them in China, and the number of deaths is 362. All but one of deaths have been in China, according to the European Center for Disease Prevention and Control, or the CDC. In the U.S., foreigners who have traveled to China in the past 2 weeks will be barred from entering the country. the government said Friday, as the White House declared a national public health emergency over the new coronavirus. As of that uh, proclamation, proclamation, any citizen returning to the U.S. who has been to Hubei province in China in the past 14 days, which is 2 weeks, will be under the mandatory quarantine for 14 days, which is thought to be in incubation period for the virus. Any citizen who's been to the rest of China within the past 2 weeks will get a health screening when they get back to the U.S. They'll then be asked to self-quarantine for 14 days. Their movements will be monitored. These restrictions take effect beginning at 5 o'clock p.m. Sunday. The actions we have taken and continue to take complement the work of China and the World Health Organization to contain the outbreak within China, Health and Human Services Secretary Alex Azar said. This is a significant global situation, but I know to emphasize this time that the risk to the American public is low, said the CDC Director Robert Redfield, MD. These are the first federal quarantine orders issued in 50 years, the last coming in the 1960s for smallpox evolutions, CDC officials said. Have many people been diagnosed with the virus, and how many have died? According to the European CDC, the majority of the confirmed cases, more than 17,000, are in China. Another 300 people plus are confirmed outside of China in 24 countries. These include Thailand, Japan, Singapore, Taiwan, Malaysia, South Korea, United Arab Emirates, Vietnam, Cambodia, Nepal, the Philippines, India, Sri Lanka, Germany, France, Italy, United Kingdom, Russia, Finland, Spain, Sweden, United States, Canada, Australia, and Macau. What do we know about these cases in the United States? The 11 U.S. cases are in Illinois, Washington, California, Arizona, and Massachusetts. The CDC in total has 241 people under investigation for the coronavirus from 36 states. In addition to the 7 confirmed positive, 114 have tested negative. The man in the case from Santa Clara County was never sick enough to need hospitalization, health officials said. He is in stable condition and is self-isolating at home. On Thursday, a man in Illinois became the first case of person-to-person transmission of the virus in the U.S., CDC said. He is the husband of Chicago woman diagnosed with the virus after returning from Wuhan. He is hospitalized in isolation and is stable. His wife, who is in her 60s, is also in isolation and in good condition. The Chicago Department of Public Health reported that she had visited China in December and returned to Chicago earlier this month. In all other U.S. cases so far, patients had recently traveled to Wuhan. So, here are the ones here. Blue. So, U.S. confirmed coronavirus cases are in the states of Washington, California, Arizona, Illinois, and Massachusetts. This is a lot of words we can't even read, And we can't even make it to the end of the stream. Oh, we can. Oh. So I found Clark County. It's just over there. I found it. Okay. Okay. So it's been 35 minutes, and I think we're good right now. So that just for favor, just these are the rules that you don't even have to do, but if you want to do it, just do it if you want to. 1, like this video. 2, subscribe to my channel. 3, wear your masks. 4, keep water in hand. Drink water 5 to 10 minutes each time every day during the virus. Number 5, wash your hands wash your hand before you put hand sanitizer on your hands. I haven't did that yet. So that is all with the stream, guys. So thanks for watching. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and leave me down the comment section below in this stream what else should I do. And also, you can hear my brother. So thanks for watching. Bye.